It might be fun to study outdoors next to CSUF's Statue of David this summer, but why not study abroad in Florence, Italy, next to the real Statue of David? Take classes and earn university credit, learn about Italy, and have fun this summer. Courses on travel writing and Italian cinema are offered at the International Media Institute in Florence. Experience a trip of a lifetime visiting one of the most romantic and historic cities in the world.
I would definitely recommend this to all students. It's a great experience. I mean, if you think about it, when else in your life are you going to have an opportunity to leave for a month?
Visit museums, famous monuments and churches, shop, and taste real Italian food.
It was one of the best experiences of my life. It was the first time I really stepped out of my comfort zone like this. It just taught me how to really be independent, and it taught me about the world. I learned that there's so much out there to see other than what I've grown up with here in Orange County.
This study abroad program includes a 4-day trip to Rome and day trips to many historical sites with free passes to museums. Find out about studying abroad in Florence, Italy by contacting the Department of Communications at Cal State University Fullerton. See you in Florence!